All AC parts and what they do can seriously confuse anyone trying to fix or upgrade their system, especially when you hear stuff like black start capacitors and potential relays thrown around. Okay, so if you're messing with your air conditioner or thinking about getting a hard start kit, it helps to know the basics. First off, a black start capacitor is there to give your compressor an extra push when it's starting up, so it doesn't struggle or overheat. The potential relay is another part that helps control when the start capacitor is actually working, making sure it kicks in at the right moment and then switches off so the system runs smooth. If you want to install a hard start kit, always cut the power completely before touching anything because safety first, right? Also, check the specs on your AC unit to make sure the hard start kit matches the voltage and compressor type so you don't burn anything out. When you're putting in these parts, keep an eye on the wiring. Mixing up connectors can cause the whole thing to malfunction or trip your breaker. Oh, and don't forget to clean or replace your air filters regularly. It helps your whole system work better and can prevent parts from wearing out too fast. Lastly, if you're not sure about any step, calling a pro is worth it because messing with electrical parts can get sketchy real quick. One of the biggest issues people run into with AC parts like hard start kits is installing the wrong capacitor type or size, which can lead to the compressor not starting properly or even damage. A fix here is double-checking your AC model's manual or label before buying. Another common mistake is forgetting to turn off power at the breaker before working on the unit, which can be super dangerous. Always make sure the power is off and test with a voltage meter if you have one. The third thing is wiring mistakes with the potential relay or capacitor, like mixing up terminals, which causes the unit not to start or blow fuses. Fixing this means following wiring diagrams exactly and labeling wires if needed before disconnecting anything. BigHomeProjects.com is a cool site that helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors for projects like AC repair or installation, so you don't have to guess who's legit. For contractors, it's a great way to get more work by connecting with people who actually need their services nearby.